Webull versus Moomoo Canada, what's better? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Webull versus Moomoo Canada. Both are trading platforms, and which one would be better for you? I'll just share that in this video. So first of all, if we talk about the fees, that Webull Canada fees are Canadian dollar 2.99 flat per trade, and on the other hand, Moomoo Canada is US dollar 0.0099 per share, or minute US dollar 1.99, and in Canadian dollar it's 0.014 dollar per share. And if we talk about the margin rates, and it's similar to 10% for Webull Canada, and for Moomoo Canada it's for 4.6 to 6.1%. And if I say about registered account, Webull Canada has TFSA or RRSP, and doesn't has TFSA or RRSP, but Moomoo Canada has the TFSA or RRSP or spousal RRSP as the registered accounts. And on the other hand, if we talk about tools and data, the Webull has basic charting, paper trading, and for the Moomoo Canada, it has advanced analytics, level 2, and research. And for the platform UX, the Webull Canada is occasional lag and missing features in Canada, and on the other hand, Moomoo Canada is feature rich but slightly cluttered. And for the other features, the Webull Canada has cash management with interest, and Moomoo Canada has community education like pre or post market. And if we come to the conclusion, which should you choose? If you are a Canadian investor seeking tax sheltered investing with low fees and pro level tools, Moomoo Canada is the clear winner. And on the other hand, if you prefer a simpler, flat fee structure and decent platform with interest on idle cash, Webull Canada might work through. Be aware of its current performance issues. And that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.